Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I am your host, Anshu. Today's episode is going to be very useful for anyone who wants to improve their English. Because today, we are talking about 10 common mistakes Indians make in English. And more importantly, how to fix them in a very simple way. And to make this episode more interesting, I have Arjun with me.
Hello everyone. I'm a little nervous today because I know I make a lot of mistakes in English.
That is perfect, Arjun. Because today, you represent millions of learners. And if you make a mistake, many listeners will relate to you.
That actually makes me feel better.
Good. So let's begin. Before we start, one important thing. Do not feel bad if you're making these mistakes. These are very common. The goal is to improve step by step. Now let's start with mistake number 1. Arjun, tell me about your family.
I'm having 2 brothers.
And there's our first mistake. This is extremely common, but in English, we do not say I am having when we talk about possession. The correct sentence is I have 2 brothers. Very simple. Just say I have.
So I should not say I am having.
Exactly. Say I have a car, I have a house, I have a friend.
Okay, I have 2 brothers. That sounds easier.
Yes, simple English is always better. Now let's move to mistake number 2. Arjun, tell me about your cousin.
He is my cousin brother.
Again, a very common Indian English mistake. In English, we do not say cousin brother or cousin sister. We simply say, he is my cousin or she is my cousin.
But in India, we always say cousin brother.
Yes, because we translate from our native languages. But in standard English, just say cousin.
Okay, he is my cousin.
Perfect. Now mistake number 3. Arjun, tell me something about your work.
Yesterday, I did a mistake in my office.
Small correction. We do not say did a mistake. We say I made a mistake.
Why made?
Good question. In English, we use make for things we create and do for actions or tasks. A mistake is something you create, so we say make a mistake.
Okay, I made a mistake.
Exactly. Now mistake number 4. Imagine you are in a job interview. Introduce yourself.
Myself Arjun. I am from Bhopal.
Let's correct that. Do not say myself Arjun. Instead say I am Arjun or my name is Arjun.
So myself is wrong.
In introductions, yes. Myself is used for emphasis. For example, I completed the project myself.
Got it. I am Arjun.
Perfect. Now mistake number 5. This one is very important. Arjun, say this sentence.
I am knowing him since 5 years.
2 mistakes in one sentence. First mistake, I am knowing is incorrect. We say I know him because know is not used in continuous form. Second mistake, since 5 years is also incorrect. We say for 5 years. So the correct sentence is I have known him for 5 years.
Let me try. I have known him for 5 years.
Very good. Now mistake number 6. Arjun, say a sentence with discuss.
Let's discuss about this problem.
Almost correct. Just remove one word. Do not say discuss about. Say let's discuss this problem.
So about is not needed.
Exactly. Discuss already includes about.
Okay, let's discuss this problem.
Perfect. Now mistake number 3. Arjun, tell me something about your work.
I will return back home at 7 p.m.
Again, extra word. Return already means go back. So just say, I will return home at 7 p.m.
So no need for back?
Yes. Remove unnecessary words.
Okay.
Now mistake number 8. This is very common in emails. Arjun, say it.
Please revert back to me soon.
This is not correct in professional English. Instead say, please reply or please get back to me.
I have written revert back so many times.
Many people do. But now you know the correct way.
Yes, I will change it.
Good. Now mistake number 9. Arjun, tell me about your education.
I passed out from college last year.
Be careful with this one. Pass out means faint. So this sentence can sound funny. Instead say, I graduated from college last year.
Oh wow, that is a big difference.
Yes, words matter.
I graduated from college last year.
Perfect. Now the final mistake. Mistake number 10. Arjun, say something.
Do one thing. Call him now.
This is understandable but not natural English. Instead say, here is what you can do or let me suggest something.
That sounds more professional.
Exactly. Now, before we end, let's do a quick revision. I will say the wrong sentence, you say the correct one. Ready?
Ready.
I am having 2 brothers.
I have 2 brothers.
Cousin brother.
Cousin.
I did a mistake.
I made a mistake.
Myself Arjun.
I am Arjun.
I am knowing him since 5 years.
I have known him for 5 years.
Discuss about.
Discuss.
Return back.
Return.
Revert back.
Reply.
Pass out from college.
Graduated from college.
Do one thing.
Let me suggest something.
Excellent. Now tell me honestly, how do you feel?
I feel more confident and I also feel that my English can improve if I practice daily.
That is the key. Consistency. Do not try to learn everything in one day. Just practice a little every day. Speak, listen, repeat.
And do not be afraid of making mistakes.
Exactly. Mistakes are part of learning. So to everyone listening, start using these correct sentences today, and you will see improvement very soon. Thank you for listening. We will see you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep growing.
Bye everyone.
Bye.